23rd of March, 2025, and we are in my Pokhari. I visited this place 30 years back or 32 years back with my papa and mama, and then I'm going to visit now. So with me as usual is my bhai Angit. Yo, with him everything is possible.
Okay, so guys, we are here at My Pokhari, and this My Pokhari is in Sandakpur गाउँपालिका पर्दैन हामी लोकल हो.
In India we say Sandakphu,
Yeah,
but in Nepal it's Sandakpur.
Pur. Yeah.
So we'll go
So let's
So,
enter.
there's
Let's
no
enter
one-
the My Pokhari.
for the ticket. So I'm taking a free ticket.
No. We are locals, so we don't need any ticket. So this is the old road you were talking about.
This is the old road I was talking about.
Yeah.
While I was a kid, I walked through this kind of path, and I'm just trying to fix my puzzles that I had in my brain for 30 years. I met all the characters. Luckily, they were not dead. One or two. My grandfather, he passed away. But I could solve many puzzles of my characters after 30 years.
Yeah. So in this board you can see red panda, which may be found here.
Which may be
It may be found
We
here.
are not sure, right?
We are not sure.
Oh,
So this is
playing place.
the lake.
That's the playing place.
This is the lake, and
Right.
yeah, that's the praying place. And yeah, this My Pokhari has 9 sides. You know?
So,
Yeah, 9 sides, and it is said to be mythologically there are 9
give this
deities.
camera to me because you are the one who needs to explain this. But my mom wants the holy water. Tell me about my Pokhari Luthasana.
So yeah, My Pokhari has 9 sides.
9 sides,
9
okay.
sides, and it, mythologically,
Ah,
9 sides. In that 9 sides, it is said to be 9 deities there.
9 deities,
deities.
भने gods,
Yeah,
होइन?
9 gods,
9 gods are
goddesses
present in
there.
the 9 sides
Yeah.
of my Pokhari.
Yeah. So
And do we have particular gods in all those 9 sides?
I don't know their names.
Okay,
But-
but they are different gods.
Yeah,
Okay.
there are 9 gods.
In all the 9
So,
sides of the
yeah.
lake.
People come here and pray all the night, 9 corners.
Oh,
my
they
Pokhari.
play in all the 9 corners. Okay. We are just taking a walk. As I've told you people, I'm just trying to solve my puzzle after 30 years. I've been to this place while I was studying in class 5. Maybe I was 10 years old. So luckily my brother Angit is helping me. We'll just take a stroll, right?
Yeah. So we can go down there.
Look, chum. There's a my phone has a 512 GB memory card, but still, it's all getting full, people. So I just have 13 minutes left, it seems.
So this My Pokhari
Ah,
is the center of the religion, no?
yeah, center.
The 3 religions people came here.
Okay, people from 3 religions they visit this place.
Buddhist,
Buddhist,
Hindus,
Hindus,
and Kirats.
and Kirats. Kirat भनेको Rai.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a holy
Rai,
place
Limbu.
to all these 3 religions.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the viewpoint of My Pokhari.
I think we came to the right place.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That's it. कि अझै यता पनि छ होला है द लेक इज दिस साइड यता पनि छ
त्यता पनि छ, त्यहाँ पनि छ.
कि त्यो त्यहाँसम्म मात्रै हो कि अझै उता पनि गएको छ
उता गएको छैन त्यो त्यहीसम्म.
यो त boundary त्यही हो.
देखेको छौँ नि.
द्याट्स द
Land सुरु हुन्छ
बाउन्ड्री
नि. त्यो ल्यान्ड द्याट्स द बाउन्ड्री.
यता चाहिँ अझै उता छ
अनि यता चाहिँ अलिकति उताबाट अलिकति
Not so much also.
नट सो मच.
सो दिस इज द होल लेक
यो हामीले अगाडि देख्यौँ नि हल्का भित्र छिरेको छ नि, लगभग त्यति नै यता भित्र छिरेको.
त्यति सो द्याट्स इट भनेपछि आई थिङ्क इट्स रङ टु मेक अ कम्पेरिजन आई थिङ्क मिरिक लेक इज बिगर देन
मिरिक झिल अलिक ठुलो छ.
अलिक ठुलो छ है इन टर्म्स अफ साइज
या
वाउ
एन्ड वी क्यान गो देयर.
बोटिङ इज नट अलाउड नि त बिकज दिस अ होली प्लेस नि त होइन
यसको चाहिँ जुन निकास छ नि,
के निकास भने के हो
भनेको चाहिँ जस्तो यहाँको पानी अलिकति अब धेर भयो भने सोचेर मुनिबाट जान्छ नि, अर्को पोखरी छ क्या पर, त्यो पोखरी नै अहिले देखाइदिउँ ल.
ओके
अनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ boating is
if the water is more in this lake the water gets absorbed and goes to the other के naturally कि artificially
Naturally.
oh naturally that
naturally.
process is done right
Yeah.
so place is a blessed place and I think I'm blessed to come to this place and I'm lucky my mom belongs to this place
Yeah.
I could be a part of this place होइन I can proudly say I am a part of this place.
Yeah.
My Pokhari.
Maternal place.
Maternal place. Wow.
Let's go out there.
Let's go. How do we go that side? Kumera, we take a turn. Look.
So,
Hmm.
this is one of the sides, you know.
We were in one of the side.
Yeah,
This is
one
the
of the corner.
one of the corner one. No, corner will be
It
the
is
right
said
word.
to be My Devi Kuna. My Devi Kuna, my goddess corner.
Oh.
So, here it is believed
So according to your story, Lord is God.
that- yeah,
My.
my stay.
She visited this place and she wanted to hide
Yeah,
from the evil forces, right? So she hid out here. That's the mythology.
yeah, that's included.
Wow, people. So you stone, what about this stone?
यो स्टोन चाहिँ त्यो माबु भन्ने ठाउँबाट ल्याएको क्या माबु भन्ने ठाउँबाट ल्याएको सेट टु बी शिव गड शिव गड
So people, let me tell you, as soon as I took 1 or 2 steps in this holy place, something inside me, it's like, I just don't know, but I could feel something inside me. Well, maybe that could
That
be
energy.
spiritual or energy, or but yeah, I could sense it.
the peace of mind.
So, or maybe peace of mind, but
Yeah,
yes, definitely my body is not in a controlled state of mind.
okay.
So maybe I can feel the energy or whatever, but wow, I get it. Only I know what I'm getting it. Wow.
The vibe.
Doing this, we visited the 2 corners. Out there also we had 2 corners, right?
Yeah.
So now we'll go to the other side and maybe visit another 2 corners. Corners with the angles, right?
Those angles.
9 angles and 9 different deities, right?
Yeah.
What's the? I think you got the pronunciation correct. Like deities, deities. I don't know. God.
I don't know.
I think you got it right.
Yeah.
We'll have to Google it, people. As of said, I'm not an English teacher. Telling people I'm not an English teacher. So, and this is
Base
English-
is math.
Base is that, and more of English is not our first language.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go wrong, people. And it's okay to get it wrong. We learn, people. So I'm happy with the mistakes. I accept
Learning
the
from-
mistakes.
That one corner is there.
Why?
मान्छे हतपत जाँदैन
One corner is somewhere out there,
corner is there.
but people don't visit. Just because जाने सजिलो बनाइदिएको छैन होला नि त.
सजिलो बनाइदिएको छैन त्यही भएर पूजा सुजा गर्ने मान्छेले गर्छ
अँ, सजिलै नभएकोले गर्दा चाहिँ जाँदैन. ल अब चाहिँ
यो चाहिँ वान कर्नर हो विच मेक्स 9 कर्नर क्या हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ इभन हुनुपर्ने हो नि त
okay, so he's, oh my god, I'm a math teacher, but he got the logic correct. So this is only 1 corner because in total it has to be 9 corners, and every part we visited it had 2 corners. So to make it 9, one should have only 1 corner.
Yeah.
And this is the solo corner, let us say.
सोलो कर्नर अनि यहाँ चाहिँ यो कुनालाई चाहिँ
के भन्छ ल यसको
गलेको छ नि
फर्किने फर्किने
चाहिँ झ्याउ भनेको चाहिँ पहिला यहाँ झ्याउ पलाउँथ्यो क्या एउटा
फर्किने क्यामेराले भेट्यो. ओके,
स्प्यागम नेपेलिन्स भनेर चाहिँ त्यो छ
लु भन्नु त्यसको बारेमा के
होइन त्यो पहिला गली चाहिँ हो क्या
ओके.
अन्त त्यो झ्याउ निकाल्नु
त्यो
त
त्यो
पुरा
हर्ब
मान्छे-
अथवा त्यो प्लान्टले,
Yeah.
द्याट प्लान्ट ह्याड कभर्ड द होल लेक.
अँ।
ओके, त्यहाँबाट
अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ मान्छे लगाएर त्यो झ्याउ निकालेको हो क्या
ओके
होइन?
ओके ओके ओके
अनि त्यो झ्याउ निकालेपछि चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि पोखरीको पानी पुरा
Okay, so this particular plant had covered the whole lake, and then once they cleaned the lake, the water went swallow, भन्नु न होइन, the water became less in the lake. Okay, त्यहाँबाट
अन्त पुरा त्यो सुकिसकेपछि धेरै
but it almost dried होइन, right word.
क्या
We are making
used
it
to walk
in
from
English
the-
and Nepali so that all viewers can catch us,
Yeah, yeah,
because I'm an Indian and my channel is quite popular in India, not in Nepal.
yeah.
भन्नु त अगाडि बढ्नु त.
So, अनि पुरा बिचबिचबाट मतलब त्यो पानी छ नि जहाँबाट न यहाँनिर वाटरले कभर गरेको ठाउँबाट पनि
अँ,
हामी हिँड्थ्यौँ क्या त्यति बेला
कहाँ बुझिनँ.
यो जुन अहिले पानीले कभर गरेको ठाउँ छ नि छेउ
Okay, त्यति साह्रो ड्राई भएको थियो.
त्यति साह्रो ड्राई
So it seems the lake had dried in such a level that my brother, especially, even he remembers walking through those areas where the water is present right now. Right?
yeah.
So it seems he walked out there after that cleaning process when the lake went dry. Almost.
Different gurus
Different gurus.
lamas and guru purohits
Uh,
they came here
uh,
they did some havans
uh.
some
Chhanu, you make it in Nepali.
some puja हैन
We have to visit both the sides. अलु भन्नु त्यहाँबाट के भयो अरे?
त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ नि लामा गुरु पुरोहितहरू आएर पुरा हवन गरे क्या पूजा सुजा गर्यो
Okay, so a lot of priests and lamas, they came and they did a lot of pujas,
Yeah,
some kind of rituals. त्यहाँबाट
त्यसपछि चाहिँ पानी फेरि अब बाहिरबाट हाल्यो भन्ने नि कुरा छ होइन आई एम नट स्योर
Okay, it could be. We are not sure about this small piece of information.
Yeah.
People they say that they might have brought water from outside
होइन
also.
अनि त्यो पनि कुरा छ
But we are not sure about
नट
it.
स्योर अबाउट इट
Ah,
बट त्यसपछि चाहिँ पानी फेरि भरिएको भन्ने
pani feri bhare hai after the ritual. So since we do not know the fact, we are not commenting on it.
या
So sisters who are,
वी आर सेइङ व्हाट वी हर्ड क्या
if you are listening to a story, do let us know in the comment.
या
तपाईँले सुन्नु हुँदैछ भने भाइको भनाइअनुसार होइन बाहिरबाट पानी पनि ल्याएको होला वी डोन्ट नो प्रेयर्सले काम गर्यो या पानी बाहिरबाट ल्यायो वी डोन्ट वी डोन्ट वान्ट टु कमेन्ट अन इट अल्सो
या
चलो वे
त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ हामी जान्छौँ अनि यो मन्दिर चाहिँ काली माताको मन्दिर हो
काली माताको मन्दिर ओके
दुर्गा देवीको मन्दिर हो
ओके यो त इट्स लाइक खिचुपुडी लेक इन सिक्किम क्या सिक्किममा वी हेभ अ पाक्योङ आई थिङ्क बिलो पाक्योङ आई भिजिटेड वान्स अ होली लेक सो समर त्यही खालके है
ए ओके
But which lake is older? Maybe this lake is older. Hola. Maybe this was
Maybe.
discovered, right?
Yeah.
Because I still remember visiting this lake 30 years back. And I have no idea about Khichupudi Lake, so I don't want to comment. Again, if anyone is aware about Khichupudi Lake and its existence, do let us know.
या
But I can guarantee, for now, I won't guarantee anything. But yes, this lake is pretty old, people. Older than me, that's for sure. Jum. So this is one of the corner.
This is the area from where we
Agi, we were on the other side, eh?
that side.
Ah,
This side where
wow, people. We were on the other side.
चाहिँ देखिन्छ भन्छ तर
9 कर्नर चाहिँ देखिन्छ अरे यहाँबाट
यताबाट देखिँदैन
यतापट्टि एउटा कर्नर होला यतापट्टि दुईटा जस्तो कर्नर
1 2
त्यो पनि होला त्यो होला
there is 4
त्यो होला यता सिंगल सोलो कर्नर अड कर्नर
6 हैन 7 8 and this one is 9.
This is one corner,
I don't
maybe.
know.
Maybe we are not sure about it.
हैन तर यहाँ पूजा गर्दा नि हुन्छ यहाँ नि पूजा गर्ने ठाउँ बनाएको छ
Power is running out, so I believe we both brothers will call it a day.
Yeah.
It was a great trip coming to
Yeah. If
My
you like
Pokhari
our
Ilam.
trip, if you like our this what do you
Video.
say? Video, then like, comment. The best is math. No,
Okay.
this is math.
Normally, I don't say that. I don't request people to subscribe. But thank you, brother, for saying that. Because normally that's what I don't say in the video. But thank you, brother. At least I want somebody to support me
Yeah.
and understand what I don't want to say.
So please.